Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Devin and thank you for coming to visit. So today, your girl has finally caved and she went and got a BoxyCharm box. So I've actually been wanting to try BoxyCharm for a cute little minute now and finally just caved. I was like, bro, let me just go ahead and do this because I like the whole send me some stuff and I want to try new products, and I'm just not gonna, like, I don't know if you're like me, but I'm not gonna go out and buy new products that I could potentially not like. And that might sound very weird because you're like, bro, didn't you just do that when you got this box? And I was like, yeah, but it's not the same. So I'm gonna be opening this box for you guys today and we're just gonna see if I like it, if it comes with any kind of cool stuff in it. And you know, there you go. So if you don't know what BoxyCharm is, it's basically a subscription service where you can get makeup and skincare and hair care, different kinds of products depending on what you ask for, in a subscription box, and they'll send you 5, 6, or I think even you can get up to like 12 products if you buy like the expensive one. I got the not the Boxy Luxe, it's the other one. I got that one. So my specific subscription comes with 6 items in there, and you do get to choose 2 full-size items, but I didn't want to do that. I just wanted it to, you know, randomize the stuff for me. So we're gonna see how that turned out. Ooh. Okay. We have stuffing. That seemed just kind of unnecessary. Like, is that really actually protecting the products? But I already see some stuff in here I think I'm gonna like. Hold on now. And it also came with this like handy dandy little cute card that kind of tells you what products you got, what they were worth, and kind of, I guess you can kind of check to see if it's worth the money. Ooh, first product is Grace and Stella Everything is Better in Pink. Debatable, but they're eye mask, collagen boosting eye mask. These pretty in pink masks are focused on firming and hydrating the under eyes. Formulated to stimulate and boost collagen production, attract and retain moisture in the skin, and maintain a healthy blood circulation and strengthen capillaries. These eye masks are the key to improving skin texture and firmness. And they are a $24 value. So I'm gonna open this stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna open it. So is this an actual, ooh, yes, okay. Yeah, I'm really gonna like these because they're like individual little, oh, that's so cute. They're little individual eye mask. Cute. Okay, so I will be using these. So I already know I'm gonna love these. One, I love eye masks. I think they're great. I think everybody needs to use them no matter how old you are. But the thing I love about these is that it's individually packaged, so it's not gonna dry out. Like, you ever like use the container that have your eye mask on there and the top one's dry and then you have to like shake it up and dip it in the product again? It's just a lot, right? And it dries out and it actually feels like it's not doing anything. That's not gonna happen with this if it's all individually packaged. Oh, that's so cute. And I got, how many are in here? 12. So I got 12 pairs of eye masks on there, so that'll be cute. Like those, might be adding those to my, I guess I'll add these to my like weekly skincare routine as opposed to my nightly. Next product, I love the packaging. Like, it's all shiny and shimmery. Dreamy. Ooh, it's a liquid lipstick by Nabala. Nabala, is that it? But it's a liquid lipstick. What color they send me though? Ooh, actually, no. That's a pretty nude. Dreamy Creamy is the perfect dream. A liquid lipstick with a luminous finish and a rich and creamy texture. The adherent and hyperpigmented formula plumps up the lips with a long-lasting comfort. Is this lip plumping? Is this gonna tingle me? I hope it doesn't tingle me. And she is a $16 value. And the packaging, oh my god, it's got little moons and stars and stuff on it. That's so cute. Does this have like a galaxy theme or an astrology theme? That's cute. I like it. Yeah, packaging's wonderful. It actually feels really heavy too, but I love the color. I think the color is perfect. And I already have like a brown liner, and I just know that that's gonna be so pretty in the middle of that brown liner. Let's see, we got Arthur Beauty The Big Bang Mascara. Not The Big Bang. If you don't know, my favorite mascara is actually Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So we'll be giving this one a shot probably soon. Again, like I will say, like all the, I'm a packaging person. I know it's not like environmentally friendly and all that other stuff. And if you know what I do for a living, you'll understand why I find that funny. But I'm a packaging person. I love the way products look. I love the way they feel, that kind of stuff. And I just love that this is like, I don't know what this actually like the term is. I don't know what that term is, but you see, it does that. And that's cool. I like that. The Ultimate Lash Maximizing Black Diamond Infused Mascara. Okay. That truly does it all for out of this world length, volume, curl, and definition. Well, Arthur, you sold me on the description, so I'm gonna have to try it now because it's out of this world. It's a $28 value. Next, we have the new The Pill All-in-One Serum. This is a single dose of high potency actives designed to remove dead skin cells, increase cell regeneration, hydrate, and depuff the skin. Combining the best of clinical and natural, it deserves a one-step solution for layering multiple acids safely. Okay, and this is actually an $85 value. The Pill is a topical supplement, a single dose of powerful actives where every ingredient has a function for the health of your skin. Made using only non-toxic, clean ingredients that do not harm people or the planet. There we go, sustainability. Okay, so this is The Pill. And she thick. She thick. Like she's not moving in this container. So that's fun. I definitely thought this was gonna be more of like those like, is it Neutrogena that has them? Like those pills that you're supposed to break the top off and squeeze the stuff out of it. I thought it was gonna be more like that, but you know, that's cool. I will say I do like kind of have like go-to stuff for my skincare, but I'll throw this in there and see how it does. I mostly say that because my skin is very sensitive and my skin is reactive. So if my skin doesn't like something, we will know it immediately. So I'm gonna make sure I do some research on this before I actually give it my seal of approval and actually put it on my face, because I just know there's certain ingredients that I don't react well to and that are gonna break me out. And I guess speaking of which, please ignore Janet. She showed up to brunch and she was not invited and she wore the wrong color. Next we have Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer. Ooh, a primer. The Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer by Chateau London. Y'all on these long names. Like I get it that things are trademarked and whatnot. I'm sure all the short names are trademarked, but dang, right? Prep skin for a flawless dewy makeup application. With a cushiony texture, this primer provides a luminous glow with a dewy glass-like finish. Formulated with brightening vitamin C and dragon fruit extract, hydrating hyaluronic acid, moisture boosting zuzu extract, and nourishing vitamin C to create a smooth and hydrated canvas that glows all day. And this cute girl is a $32 value. I think also a fun part about doing the BoxyCharm thing is I haven't heard of any of the brands I just opened up from. I don't know what they are, so we'll give that a shot. So there's the package. It's cute. She's got a little reflective mirror situation on the cap. That's fun. Packaging is kind of the same way. It's all that shimmery extraness, which we live for. So this is a Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer. That's what they call it. Dewy skin. And actually, if you know me, you know at this phase of my life when I do my makeup, I have on more primers than makeup. So I'm definitely going to be trying this out and giving it a shot and see how I like it. Who knows? Maybe it'll work its way into my next tutorial. We'll go from there. All right, and then my last item is this Keys Soul Care Skin Transformation Cream. So, give this a shot. It feels very heavy. It feels very bougie-like. It's what it's giving. Oh, and she's definitely bougie. Okay, so that, I like that packaging. Like, this shape. I don't know, something about this shape is really nice to me. A fragrance-free hydrating and moisturizing face cream that helps reveal plumped and radiant looking skin, which is a $30 value. So this is definitely bougie, definitely like heavy duty, It's actually a glass container, which is kind of nice. So it's a moisturizer. It's a good moisturizer. Fun. So again, probably this feels like something I would use at night. This doesn't feel like something I would put on during the day. Oh no, it says morning and night. Cool. But if I were to use this in the morning, it is probably going to be right before my sunscreen, because I make it a point to wear sunscreen every day, and you should too, Miss Ma'am. So that's everything that came in my box. So first impressions, I think I'm gonna like all of these products, and I definitely feel like I got my money's worth. My BoxyCharm subscription is $42.99 a month, and just trying to do quick math, I haven't done that in a couple of years. So I think if I did my math correctly, this comes up to a $210 value. If I got that right, you have to subscribe. And if I got that wrong, you still need to subscribe, because you can pity me for not being able to do math. I swear I took AP Calculus when I graduated high school. So for my initial thoughts, I do kind of think the box is worth it. If I really got $200 worth of product and I only paid them $42.99 for it, I think that's a really good deal. And the box arrived quickly. I didn't have any damage. It wasn't crazy. Shipping was very easy, all that good stuff. And I really look forward to incorporating some of this stuff into my routines, especially the skincare. I think it's gonna be really interesting. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys liked getting to see some of these products that I bought and getting to, you know, explore them with me. And you'll definitely see all these products, probably all of them, featured in a different video at some time. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Be sure to comment down below anything you would like to comment down below. And please come back to my channel and don't forget to subscribe on your way out. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.